If you've ever typed bathroom remodeling near me into a search engine, you're not alone. Many homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo are eager to update their bathrooms, but wonder if they can do it on a budget of $10,000. The question is more than just a financial consideration. It's about understanding what kind of transformation is possible without breaking the bank. In our area, where property values are steadily rising, a bathroom remodel is not just an expense, but an investment that can increase the value of your home. But can you really achieve your dream bathroom with $10,000? In this post, we'll explore the possibilities and limitations of a budget-friendly bathroom renovation. We'll discuss what elements you can typically expect to include, such as fixtures, tiles, and cabinetry, and where you might need to compromise. You'll also learn some insider tips on how to stretch your dollars further by smartly selecting materials and focusing on high-impact changes. Whether you're considering a complete overhaul or just a few updates, this guide will help you make informed decisions and get the most bang for your buck. Dive in to discover how local trends and options can help you achieve a beautiful and functional bathroom without overspending. Understanding the cost of bathroom remodeling in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering bathroom remodeling near me in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's important to understand how far your budget can stretch, especially with a limit of $10,000. Remodeling costs can vary significantly based on the size of your bathroom, the extent of the remodel, and the quality of materials you choose. In this region, the average cost of a mid-range bathroom renovation typically starts at around $10,000, but careful planning and prioritizing can help you achieve your goals within this budget. One of the first factors to consider is whether you are looking for a cosmetic update or a full renovation. A cosmetic update, which might include new paint, fixtures, and fittings, can be more budget-friendly. On the other hand, a full renovation that involves structural changes, plumbing, and electrical work will quickly escalate costs. Homeowners often find that focusing on a few key areas, such as upgrading the bathtub or shower, replacing the vanity, or refreshing the tiles, can dramatically improve the space without a complete overhaul. Plan your project during off-peak seasons to potentially lower labor costs, as contractors may offer discounts to secure work during slower periods. Consider using cost-effective materials such as laminate or ceramic tiles that provide a stylish look without breaking the bank. Reface or repaint cabinets instead of replacing them entirely to cut down on expenses while giving your bathroom a fresh appearance. Research local suppliers for deals on fixtures and materials, as buying locally can save on shipping costs and support the community. DIY certain elements like painting or demolition if you have the skills to reduce labor costs and allocate more of your budget towards professional installations that require expertise. Budget-friendly bathroom upgrades. Under $10,000. Remodeling a bathroom on a budget of $10,000 is not only possible, but can also yield impressive results with the right planning and choices. Homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo area can achieve a fresh look by focusing on key elements that provide the most impact for the investment. With strategic updates, you can transform your space without exceeding your budget, all while adding value to your home. One of the most impactful changes you can make is updating your bathroom fixtures. Replacing outdated faucets, shower heads, and lighting fixtures with modern, energy-efficient options can immediately enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your bathroom. Additionally, consider refinishing or repainting cabinets instead of replacing them entirely, which can drastically reduce costs. These changes not only improve the look of your bathroom, but also contribute to a more sustainable home. For those seeking bathroom remodeling near me, it's important to prioritize projects that balance cost with visual appeal. Opting for high-quality materials in areas that experience the most wear and tear, like flooring and countertops, ensures longevity. Meanwhile, selecting more affordable materials for less critical areas can help manage costs effectively. Engaging with local experts, such as Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, can provide valuable insights into the best materials and design choices for your budget, ensuring a smooth renovation process. Focus on cosmetic changes like painting walls and updating hardware for a fresh look. Consider DIY projects for tasks like installing new light fixtures or mirrors to save on labor costs. Prioritize energy efficient upgrades to reduce long term utility bills and increase resale value. Consult with local renovation experts for advice on cost effective materials and design options. Plan your renovation during the off peak season for potential savings on labor and materials. Finding reliable local contractors for bathroom remodeling near you. When embarking on a bathroom remodel with a $10,000 budget, finding a reliable contractor in the Kitchener-Waterloo area is crucial to maximizing your investment. The right contractor will help you balance cost, quality, and design, ensuring your renovation meets both your budget and your expectations. With the local market offering a range of options, homeowners can find skilled professionals who understand the unique needs of Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge homes. By focusing on local contractors, you can benefit from their regional expertise and established relationships with local suppliers. To start your search, consider reaching out to friends or family who have recently undergone similar renovations. Personal recommendations often provide reliable insights into a contractor's workmanship and customer service. Additionally, online reviews on platforms like Google or Yelp can offer a broader perspective on a contractor's reliability and quality. It's also beneficial to check if the contractor is a member of local trade associations, as this can be an indicator of their commitment to professionalism and industry standards. Request multiple quotes to compare prices and services, ensuring you understand what is included in each estimate. This will help you identify any potential hidden costs early on. Check for proper licensing and insurance. This protects you from liability and ensures the contractor meets local regulations and standards. Ask for a portfolio of past projects, particularly those completed in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, to gauge their experience with bathrooms similar to yours. Discuss your budget constraints openly and see how they propose to manage costs without compromising on quality. Set clear timelines and payment schedules in the contract to avoid misunderstandings down the line. By carefully selecting a local contractor, you can navigate the bathroom remodeling process with confidence, knowing that your project is in capable hands. This not only helps to ensure a successful renovation, but also supports the local economy, fostering a community of skilled tradespeople in the Kitchener-Waterloo region. Essential tips for affordable bathroom renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo. Undertaking a bathroom remodel on a $10,000 budget in Kitchener-Waterloo is not only possible, but can also yield impressive results with the right approach. As the local housing market continues to thrive, investing in bathroom renovations can significantly enhance your home's value and comfort. However, striking a balance between quality and cost-effectiveness requires smart planning and resource allocation. By focusing on essential updates and leveraging local resources, you can transform your bathroom without exceeding your budget. One of the first steps is to carefully evaluate which elements of your bathroom truly need a makeover. Consider whether a full-scale renovation is necessary or if a partial update could achieve your desired effect. For example, replacing outdated fixtures, retiling the shower, or refreshing the paint can drastically change the look and feel without the expenses of a complete overhaul. Prioritizing these changes can help you allocate your resources more effectively, ensuring that your $10,000 goes a long way. Shop local. Take advantage of local suppliers and showrooms in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Not only can this save on shipping costs, but you might also find discounts or promotions that can stretch your budget further. DIY, where possible. Consider tackling some of the simpler tasks yourself, such as painting or installing new hardware. This can significantly reduce labor costs, allowing you to allocate funds to more complex tasks that require professional expertise. Choose cost-effective materials. Opt for high-quality yet affordable materials like porcelain tiles or laminate countertops, which can mimic the look of more expensive options without the hefty price tag. Plan for efficiency. Work with your contractor to design a layout that maximizes space and functionality without the need for extensive plumbing changes, which can be costly. Consider off-season renovations. Scheduling your remodel during the off peak season might provide more competitive rates from contractors in the Kitchener Waterloo area. Maximizing your bathroom remodel. What $10,000 can achieve locally. For homeowners in Kitchener Waterloo considering a mid range bathroom remodel, a $10,000 budget can accomplish significant updates if managed wisely. The cost of labor and materials can vary, but focusing on strategic changes can make all the difference. Prioritize elements that will yield the greatest impact, such as updating fixtures, retiling, and improving lighting. By carefully selecting where to allocate funds, you can create a refreshed and functional bathroom that adds value to your home. One of the most effective uses of your budget is to concentrate on high impact areas. Replacing old fixtures with modern, energy efficient options can refresh the space while reducing water and electricity bills. Consider swapping out outdated lighting for LED fixtures that offer better illumination and energy savings. Retiling the floor or shower area can also dramatically alter the bathroom's appearance without breaking the bank. Opt for quality materials in a smaller area rather than cheaper options throughout the entire space to maintain a high-end look. In the Kitchener-Waterloo area, working with local contractors can provide the best value for your money. They often have established relationships with suppliers and can source materials at competitive prices. Additionally, collaborating with a local expert ensures that your remodel meets Ontario's building codes and standards. Choose quality over quantity. Invest in a few high-quality pieces rather than spreading your budget too thin. Focus on cosmetic updates. Painting walls or updating cabinet hardware can provide a fresh look without major expenses. Shop local. Utilize Kitchener-Waterloo-based suppliers to minimize transportation costs and support local businesses. Plan for the future. Select fixtures and finishes that will remain stylish and functional for years to come. Get multiple quotes. Compare estimates from several contractors to ensure you're getting the best deal. Ready to transform your bathroom without breaking the bank? At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, we specialize in creating stunning spaces that fit your budget. Whether you're dreaming of a complete overhaul or a simple refresh, our expert team is here to help. Visit our Bathroom Renovations Kitchener-Waterloo page for more details or check out Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google for reviews. Call us today at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book your free estimate or request a quote.